Alright, so if you've got water leaking from your centre aircon, you want to blow the line out. I'll just show you how. To do this side here, you just want to remove the step here and just undo the couple of screws here, not all of them, just enough to lift it up there. And then you need to remove this panel in here, so you pull the rubbers back to remove this, it just pops off. Then on the inside, you just want to separate the two lines here. It can be stubborn. I've already had it apart, so it's not so hard right now. All I did was blow the line, and this side here, I blew it by mouth, and you know that's fine. That side, it was this side here, it was blocked. I just went. You could tell when I blew on both of them. This is the side that was blocked. Found that it had a wasp nest in it, and the other side was exactly the same. Had a wasp nest in it, little buggers. Find a little pipe anywhere and everywhere. So the other side, I'll show you how I got the other side clean. Without removing the chairs, so I can get behind here and get to the line that's behind there, what I do is, or what I did was, I made this little contraption up, so I could just pump up, fill that up with air so I can push some water through. And then you can, I don't know if you can see that, but so you got the line here. Now all I did was remove the covers, so I'll put it all back together so you can see basically how it comes apart by watching me put it back together. And put the hose in there and just feed it through. Just force that water through there. Get it all clean. These here are just loose, so that just sits in there. And then this one goes onto here. Alright, I went and just got myself some gloves as well, because this stuff is quite sticky and doesn't want to come off your hands. So there's a point there to there. That's it. Don't want to go up, it needs to stay down for gravity feed. And that's all it is. I mean, like, it's a loose fit, but seems to work. And for some reason, I'm missing my little clip for there. Just one of those little guys there that should be down there. I'm not going to worry about it. Let me just swing it back around. Like so. Slide it up, clip it in. And this side here I put some air through. I'll just put some water through so you can see where it's coming out from. And the front drainage is near the front of the auxiliary. If you ever needed to clean that out, I'd probably just blow air through that. Right, well, I hope that helps a few of you out with knowing where the drain hoses are, so you can clean that up so you don't have any more water coming into the cabin. I'm just going to leave it recording now while I put this all back together. That's it. Now it's just a matter of putting the screws back in. That side's back together. Well, I hope that was helpful. Like, subscribe, you know the drill. And I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.